Mamelodi Sundowns head coach Mangoba Mngeti has expressed confidence in midfielder Sipho Mbole's future at the club, despite the player's recent loan move to Sekhukhune United. Mbole's departure from Kluokop during the transfer window surprised many, but Mngeti remains optimistic about Mbole's long-term prospects. He emphasized that the loan is an opportunity for Mbole to gain valuable game time and said Sipho is a player I rate very highly. Mngeti said this following Sundowns 4-1 victory over Maromo Gallants and said, I believe he has a lot to offer this club, and this loan to Sekhukhune could be very beneficial for him. It will give him a chance to experience a different environment and get regular playing time, which is crucial. Mngeti acknowledged that a lack of game time had impacted Mbole's physical condition, with fitness issues cropping up as a result, and said when a player is not getting consistent minutes, it's easy for their fitness level to drop. You deal with issues like weight gain, and that can lead to injuries when you do get an opportunity to play. However, the Sundowns coach remains hopeful that regular appearances for Sekhukhune will help Mbole regain form and fitness, positioning him to make a return to the reigning DStv Premiership champions, and said, I can still see him coming back and staking a claim for a place in the team. If he plays consistently at Sekhukhune, it will not only benefit him but also Sundowns. I believe he has the potential to help us in the future and perhaps even further his career beyond this loan spell because he's a very talented footballer. Mbole's loan stint with Sekhukhune United is seen as an opportunity for the midfielder to reignite his career and return to Sundowns in better physical condition, ready to compete for a spot in Mngeti's squad. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.